So all of you, please mention your sections after your name.
So mentioned.
Very good.
So we will continue the chapter.
I will tell you what to do.
Continue the chapter.
I will tell you. 7C students, just wait. I will tell you what to do.
Sir, from class 7B, there are only 3 children.
Let me count. There is Ayush Agarwal, 1, Harshita, 2, then Manir, 3, sorry, Manir, 3, Manrina, 4.
Sir, Manhir Kaur is in 7A.
I am in 7th A.
Achha, Manir, you are in 7th A. Okay, so Manrina, 4, sorry, 3, then Om, 4, Om Saraswat, 4, Pranjali, 5, Rajnandini, 6,
Pranjal is in C.
Pranjali. 6 are there from 7th B. Mention your sections, all of you, after the name. Everyone.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, sir, I don't know how to mention a section.
When
Just
you
rename yourself.
open the list of participants, there you can rename yourself.
Sir, we can
Alright,
open
वहीं से ही होता है
participants,
ना?
then click on our name, then there
Sir,
will be option
participant.
rename. We can click on it and then we can change.
Sir, first click on participants, then click on our name, rename, and then you can mention your section.
Sir,
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, so class 7C, 7C students, I am giving you an assignment in this period. All of you, 7C students, pay attention.
Yes, sir.
There is an assignment for you all. You have to do all the questions of exercise 15B and 15C. 15B and 15C right now in your copies.
Sir,
And
again.
then post your work in the evening today. Do them right now in this period.
Sir,
Okay,
as
sir.
revision.
Yes, this is your revision.
Sir,
7C
what
only.
will be the heading?
Object
Revision
of
only.
7C only. Yeah, assignment you can name as assignment.
Okay, sir.
Questions from exercise 15B and 15C. Start doing them right now.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in 15C, first
Yes.
3 questions were to do in book. That also we have to do in notebook.
Yes, all the questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now 7B and 7A.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, students
Yes,
of
sir.
7B and 7A. Yes.
Good
Yeah.
morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग. कौन है ये? मिश्रा जी है कौन है? So 7A and 7B students, your syllabus is lagging behind. You have to do what I'm telling you right now. We will do questions of exercise 15B. 7th A में I
Excuse
have
me,
not.
sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Sir, in exercise 15C, there the first question, second and third was to be done in book. So
You have
these
to do
questions
them
we
in
have to
the-
do in copy.
Yeah, in the copies.
Okay, sir.
Do these also. So 7th A and 7th B students, please pay attention. आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन 7 से एक्सरसाइज 15B क्वेश्चन 7 से मैं करा रहा हूँ. क्वेश्चन 7 was not done in 7th A also. 7th A में मैंने क्वेश्चन 7 नहीं कराया अभी 15B का. So we are doing it now. Okay. Exercise 15B. Question number 7. Students of 7th A and 7th B will do it. Okay, I'm mentioning it here. Class, this is for class 7A and 7B. Mention कर दिया मैंने साफ साफ देख लीजिए. You have to do this work. So we are doing question 7. 7C वाले बच्चे अपना काम करते रहिए आप लोग. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, I will give you some time to ask your doubts if you have. Question 7. This figure is given.
Sir, you have checked the maths test of UT2.
No, beta, I have not checked the subjective paper till now.
Sir, objective one.
Objective one, yes, it is checked.
Sir, please tell the marks.
I cannot tell you the marks right now. मुझे allowed नहीं है marks बताना अभी. So yeah, can you all see the figure clearly in the on the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So these three angles are given. This is 40, this is 100, and this is 50. Three angles are given in this figure. Sorry, this is point D. मैंने B लिख दिया है गलती से. This is D. Okay. You have to find three angles in this. Find. I'm writing it here. The first one is angle ACD. You have to find angle ACD. बहुत आसान है. Second, angle ADC. ADC, ये भी बहुत easy है. Then third, you have to find out the measure of angle DAE. Okay. Again, very easy.
Sir, can I tell of ACD?
Yeah. Yeah, Om, can you tell me the answer? What is the value of angle ACD?
Yes, sir. The value of angle ACD will be 80 degree.
Angle ACD is correct. Angle ACD is 80. Correct answer. ACD plus angle ACB. These two angles are linear pair of angles, so their sum will be 180. I have written the reason.
Yes, sir.
LP बोले तो linear pair. So angle ACD is equal to 180 minus 100. You get the measure of angle ACD equals to 80 degrees.
Sir, we have done this exercise.
Mishra ji, you have to do
Yes.
exercise 15B and 15C. 7C वाले बच्चों को क्या करना है मैं बता रहा हूँ, आप लेट ज्वाइन करें थोड़ा. 15B और 15C एक्सरसाइज पूरी आपको अभी अपनी कॉपीज में करनी है and you have to post it in the evening
सर फिर से
on the group. हाँ फिर से पूरी एक्सरसाइज. This is an assignment.
ओके सर.
Class work assignment है. This is your class work assignment. do exercise 15B and 15C in your notebooks, all the questions, and then post your work in the evening. Okay.
Okay, sir.
On your WhatsApp, sir, on WhatsApp group.
हाँ, on your class WhatsApp group. बेटा
Okay,
तुम
sir.
तो A में हो. Why are you doing it? You are in section A, Fazil. You don't have to do it.
Okay, sir.
तुम्हारे मजे आ गए. तुमसे बाद में कराएंगे लेकिन परेशान
Okay,
मत.
sir.
जितनी मेहनत
No,
इन
sir,
लोगों
मैं
की करा
कर
रहे हो, तुमसे ही कराएंगे. Yes, बताइए. Okay. So now ACD we have calculated. It is 80 degrees. Now let's move on to the angle ADC. This ACD we have already found. The measure of angle ACD is 80 degrees.
80 degrees.
Yeah. We have to find now. We have to find angle ADC. This one.
Can I get the answer of this question? Angle ADC.
Angle CAD plus angle ACD plus angle ADC. The sum of all the three angles.
Sir, answer is 50 degree.
Angle sum property ASP. Short form लिख दिया मैंने. You will write the full form. Sum of all the three angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. और भी तरीका है निकालने का. You can find the measure of angle ADC using exterior angle property also. उससे भी निकाल सकते हैं. So whichever method you like you can use. Angle CAD 50 है. Put the values. This is 50. Angle ACD we have just found, it is 80. Putting the value of angle ACD also. Angle ADC we have to find. The sum is 180. So angle ADC is equal to 180 minus 130. So the measure of angle ADC is equal to 50 degrees. So first answer, second answer, and finally now we have to find angle DAE. Actually, angle DAE is an exterior angle for the triangle ABD. Triangle ABD को देखिए. This angle is an exterior angle. Angle DAE क्या है? Exterior angle है for triangle ABD. इसके opposite interior angles कौन से हुए? Angle B and angle D. So angle DAE is equal to angle B plus angle D.
40. So answer is 140 degree.
मैंने शॉर्ट में लिख दिया है EAP. You have to write the full form. EAP की full form क्या है? Exterior angle property. So angle DAE is equal to 40 plus 50. Angle DAE is equal to 90 degrees. Got it? All the three answers.
Sir, please give time to do.
Sorry? Yeah?
Sir, please give to the question.
Please give what?
Time to do the question.
Ah, yes. Please do it. I'm waiting.
Sir, done.
Have you all done it?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
अरे बहुत टाइम लगा रहे हो.
Sir, done.
The next question.
Sir, done.
Question number 8. Actually, it is very similar to question 4. कुछ भी नया नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन में. 7D, you all have done question 4 today only.
Sir,
Sir, I've done.
X is equal to 26.
Sir, question number 4.
Question number 8. Very easy. It is similar to question 4. In fact, exactly same. बस एक एंगल आपको डिफरेंट दिया हुआ है. Question 8. This is the figure given. A, B, C, D. This angle is 130. This is Y. This is X, and this is Z. So here one more thing is given, that the ratio of X and Y is 2:3, 2:3. Okay. Now you can assume that X is equal to 2A and Y is equal to 3A. Let us assume that the measure of X is 2A and the measure of Y is 3A. Why? Because the ratio of X and Y is given 2:3. Okay. So we can assume one angle is 2A and the other one is 3A. Now we all know that X plus Y will be equal to 130. This is exterior angle property. Using exterior angle property, X plus Y equals to 130. Put the values of X and Y. 2A plus 3A is equal to 130. That means 5A is equal to 130. A is equal to 26. The measure of A is 26, but we have to find all the three angles of the triangle. X कितना हो जाएगा आपका? It is equal to 2A, so it becomes 26 into 2, which is equal to 52 degrees. Y is equal to 3A, so it becomes 78 degrees. And Z plus 130 equals to 180. Linear pair. ये दोनों एंगल्स क्या हैं आपके? लीनियर पेयर. Z plus 130 equals to 180. So Z is equals to 50 degrees. Any problem in any of the parts? Very easy question already.
No, sir.
We have already done this in question 4. The same thing we have already done in question 4. So I don't think there will be. Write it in your document. Yeah. Done. So you all can
Yes,
write
sir.
down the matlab, students of 7A and 7B. I think 7th A have already done this triangle inequality. So if you have done this in your copies, you don't need to write it again. 7B students, write down the heading triangle inequality. I'm writing it here on the board. Triangle inequality. This is the next topic. This is the property that will be used in the next exercise. What is the property? The sum of any two sides of a triangle. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. कल इसी को हमने प्रूव करने के लिए एक एक्टिविटी भी करी थी. Do you all remember the activity? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. कल हमने एक एक्टिविटी करी थी. The first activity that we did yesterday. वो एक लाइन बनाई थी, फिर दो साइड से कंपास से आर्क मारा था. The arc
Yes,
was-
sir. So remember. Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of this? You will now make a triangle. I will explain the property with the help of this triangle. Make a triangle ABC. In this triangle, if you add any two sides, let us suppose I add AB and AC, the length of these two sides will always be greater than the length of the third side BC. Or you can change the two sides. Suppose I take AB and BC. Instead of AC, I take BC. AB plus BC. AC की जगह मैंने BC ले लिया. Then also the sum will be greater than the third side, which is AC. अब AC यहाँ पे चला गया. Or if I change the sides again, if I take BC and AC, BC और AC को ले लेता हूँ मैं. Then also the sum will be greater than AB. यानी कि आप चाहे कोई सी भी दो sides ले लीजिए ट्राइंगल की, उनका सम हमेशा थर्ड साइड से बड़ा होगा. Okay, so this is the property that we will be using for the next exercise. So write this all in your copies. Write the property and make the figure and write this. Seven C students, are you doing the work? Are you
Yes,
facing
sir.
any problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem
Yes, sir.
till now? 7C.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I completed 15B again.
Very good. Mishra ji,
Yes, sir.
Mishra ji, have you written all the reasons, all these steps?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then those who have completed 15.
Sir, I am on the last question of 15B.
Okay, very good. All those who have completed 15B, they can now start 15C. 7C students.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you telling anything to 7C students?
Yeah, I was just asking, are you facing any problem?
No, sir. Sir, my first exercise is almost finished.
Okay, very good. Then after finishing it, you can start with 15C. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, 7th A and B. Have you written this? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start the exercise. First, 3 questions of the exercise are to be done in the book only.
Sir, please wait.
Okay, okay.
Sir, in 15C we also have to write the questions which are in the book.
Yeah, though the questions which were to be done in the book, those questions also you have to do in the book. Just write the answers, not the questions. Okay.
Sir, I have
Okay.
solved them. The questions that we have done in book. I have
Yeah.
solved them in the notebook.
Yeah, you have to solve these questions in the notebook. All the questions which you did in the book, also those also you will do in the copies. Okay. Anushka, beta, have you seen the videos of the classes that you missed because of your fever? He's not well. Beta, I'm not getting any sound, Anushka. Not able
Yes,
to
sir.
hear you. Yeah, I'm asking that. Have you seen the videos of the classes that you missed because of your fever?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Are you facing any problem in these exercises?
No, sir.
Okay, do them.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Okay. Yeah, so all of you, 15A and B, sorry, 7th A and B, 15A and B, 7th A and
Sir.
7th B students. Yes, Aditya.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, in 15C, so first, second, third, we have to do in notebook only. First and
You
third.
have
Yes.
to you have to
हाँ
just
भाई.
write the answers of first, second, third question in your notebooks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 7th A and B. Question 1 of 15C. It is to be done in the book. 7th A and B students. So you have to find whether a triangle is possible or not with the following sides. First part, all the 3 sides 1 centimeter. क्या किसी triangle की तीनों sides 1 centimeter की हो सकती है? Okay, let me discuss. आप लोगों को शायद अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ. I am making a triangle here. इसमें if I take one side 4, the other 5 and the third one 6. So this triangle is possible or not? This is an example for you all. We have to check whether this triangle is possible or not. So this example is taken by me. It is not in the book. Okay. So 4 and 5. What is the sum of these two sides? 4 plus 5. It is equal to 9. 9 third side क्या बची? 6. Is it greater than 6? Yes. So very good. एक चीज तो satisfy हो गई. Now let us check for the other sides also. If I add 5 plus 6, इन दोनों sides को अगर मैं add कर देता हूँ, the sum is 11. So the sum 11, is it greater than the third side? Third side क्या बची हो? 4. Yes, 4 से बड़ा है. Then if you add 6 and 4, 6 plus 4, these two sides,
10.
sum is 10. So 10 is greater than the third side. अब third side क्या बची आपकी 5. क्या ये 5 से बड़ा है? Yes, बड़ा है. So if in all the cases अगर दो sides को add करके जो sum आ रहा है तो third side से बड़ा है, so this type of triangle is possible. ऐसा
It's
triangle
become a triangle.
ऐसा ट्रायंगल बनाना पॉसिबल है. ओके, अगर मैं ले लेता हूं कुछ ऐसा जैसे कि yesterday also we did something like that. If I take one side 4 centimeters, the other 5, तो मैं ऐसे ही ले ले रहा हूं अंदाजे से 4, 5 and suppose 12 centimeters. So is it possible to make this type of triangle? If you add 4 and 5, the sum is 9. 9 आ रहा है इन दोनों साइड्स का सम. क्या ये 12 से बड़ा है? 9 is greater than
No.
12? Is it greater than the third side? The answer is no. So is it possible to make this type of triangle? No, this triangle is not possible. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो यही हमको चेक करना है सारे क्वेश्चंस में. In all the questions we have to check the same thing. कोई भी दो साइड्स का सम थर्ड साइड से छोटा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be greater. Okay. So first part. Is it possible that all the three sides are 1 centimeters? Yes. If you add any two sides, you will always get the sum greater than the third side. Yes. So answer is yes.
Yes.
Second one. अब आप आसान तरीका क्या है? What is the trick of this? Simple method क्या है करने का? बहुत easy है. जो दो छोटी sides हैं triangle की, सिर्फ उनको देख लो. Take the two smaller sides of the triangle. Suppose in the second part, छोटी sides कौन सी है? 2 and 3. If you add 2 plus 3, you get 5. So the sum of the two smallest side of the triangle 5 आ रहा है. वो क्या थर्ड साइड से बड़ा है? 4 सेंटीमीटर से बड़ा है. Yes, it is greater than 4. So yes, this type of triangle is possible. Okay.
Become a triangle.
So बस दो जो छोटी साइड है उनको लेकर के आप चेक कर लीजिए. Third one, 7 plus 8. What is the sum?
14 will be 15.
The sum is 15 and the third side is also 15. Is it possible?
Not.
No.
No.
So this type of triangle is not possible because the sum of the two sides is equal
Same.
to the third side. Same आ रहा है, but आपका ये क्या होना चाहिए? बड़ा होना चाहिए. Only then it is possible. Otherwise not. So this type of triangle is not possible. Third one is no. First is yes, second is yes, third is no. Fourth one.
Sir, yes.
It is possible. Yes, 3.4 plus 2.1. The sum is equal to 5.5. 5.5 is greater than 5.3. So yes, it is possible. Then the fifth one, 6 plus
No.
7 is equal to 13. That means not possible.
No, sir. No, sir.
Answer of the fifth one is no. So third and fifth are no. All the remaining are yes. Okay. Understood? All of you?
Sir, we have to also draw the figures.
Sorry, Mishra ji क्या कह रहे हैं?
Sir, we also have to draw the figures.
Yes, you have to draw the figures. In question 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 you have to draw the figures.
The next question.
Yeah, next one. Question number 2, I don't think that we will be able to discuss the question because only 1 minute is left. Question 2 में थोड़ा time ज़्यादा लगेगा. Question 3 कर लेते हैं पहले. Question 3, all of you. PA plus PB is greater than AB. कौन सी साइड से ये बड़ा है या छोटा है? First of all, PA और PB कौन से ट्राइंगल की बात कर रहे हैं? PA, PB and AB. These are sides of triangle APB. तो PA और PB का सम AB से बड़ा होगा नहीं होगा? Yes, obviously बड़ा होगा. Greater than का साइन लगा लीजिए. सेकंड वाले में भी ग्रेटर देन आ जाएगा. PB plus PC is greater than BC. तो थर्ड वाले को देखो. AC, अब LHS में इन्होंने एक ही साइड लिया, RHS में दो लेनी है, PA plus PC. सो यहाँ पर आप स्मॉलर देन लगा देंगे. AC थर्ड वाले में आपका स्मॉलर देन आ जाएगा. AC is smaller than PA plus PC. AC जो है आपकी PA और PC के सम से छोटी होगी. Okay. Got it? Third one, everyone done with the third one? Okay, so that's it for today's class. We will be meeting on Tuesday, maybe on Tuesday. Yes.